Number 24, drives, bumitbit. Nadali yung paa. Cortez asking for that screen. Cortez. Back for 2. Bucket is good. And corner pass.
Pass back. Launches.
3. Bang! Bullseye. Querido di discarte behind the back.
Drives his
Green move. Fade away. Kobe. Bucket. Forget rebound number 8. Put back shot of the glass. Bucket. Nandito tayo ngayon sa palarong pambansa 2024 para sa kanilang do or die quarterfinals para sa laban ng NCR at Region 1. Here you go, jump ball, NCR versus Region 1. Pass to the middle here. Fires, spares, blood. Number 28. Querido. Querido di discarte behind the back. Drives, spin move, fade away. Kobe, bucket. Nakuha dito ng team NCR, number 88. No, ground to move. And number 12. To number 8. He's slowly dribbling the ball to number 12. To Querido. Running down. Now 5 seconds to shoot. Number 7, Caldag. Floater. Bucket. Corner pass here. Fires a 3. Too strong. Rebound here. Number 4, Querido. Mineco. Service layup. Bucket's good. And here's team NCR, lumusot behind the back dribble, no look pass inside, Caldag spins. And number 8, Region 1. Bounce pass to the corner, number 12. Picks, clutch, supalpal. Mapupunta pa rin kay Fabia, kicks out, launches on 3. Bang! Nothing but... And miscommunication, number 31, side step, lays, won't go, tips in, 2-hand step in. Pass to the corner, number 12, drives, lays, bucket is good. NCR up by 1. Number 12 here, fix, pass to the middle. Number 13, Kumaldag, fires off the glass, 2 high shot. Pass to number 2, team NCR. Pass to the middle. 4-3. Off target rebound. Put back shot. Yes sir. Lucky bounce. Cortez. Zumizigzag. Pass to Querido. Pull up jump at 3. Bounce. Number 88. Pass inside. Oh, busy bucket. Found here. Pass break. Number 24 na una. Lays. Easy bucket. And long pass here. Querido open for 3. Bang! Querido. And again, ball possession for NCR. Corner 3. Off target. Rebound number 8. Put back shot of the glass. Bucket is Cortez to Querido. Querido attack from the middle. Zumigzag. Spins. Kobe. No good. Rebound. Caldag. Fires off the glass. Basket and 1. Backdoor inbound action. Bounce pass to number 6. Oops. Great space. Naagawan. Pass break to Querido. Querido lays. Easy bucket. And a pass break here. Drives. Pinya sa number 8. Fires. Basket and 1. And back to the ball game tayo mga idol. Second quarter action here. Fires off the glass. Bucket is... At nagmamadali dito 98. And slow. Fires. Bucket. Pass to number 88 sa 3. In and out. Rebound number 8. Umatake. Iksikwat. Pasok yan. And here's Querido. Querido. Corner pass. Picks. Wild open for 3. Pass break. NCR lays. And a bucket. And here's number 2. Pass to number 24. Drives, bumitbit. Nadali yung paa. And here's Querido. Querido is slowly dribbling the ball. Pass to the middle. Number 21 drives. Binato. Pass break ngayon. Number 2. Lays. Basket in the foul. And corner pass. Pass back. Launches 3. Bang! Bulls eye. And Fabia here. Pass to the corner. Querido. Pass back to Cortez. Cortez asking for that screen. Cortez. Step back for 2. Bucket is good. And long pass here. Stop, fakes, spins, fires, basket and 1. Go. Team Region 1 is drives na agawan. Pass break ngayon. 1-on-1 with number 2 with Querido. Lays up. Bucket for 2. Querido slowly moving down. Pass to number 13. Pass to Fabia. Fabia pass to the middle. Pull up J. Rebound. Put back. Bucket is good. Kick out. Corner pass. 3-point shot. Bang! Bulls. And here you go. Humaldag. Number 77. Long 2. Bucket. Number 4. Querido. Querido. Spin move. Naiwan ang bola. Tatlo sila. Easy bucket. Number 7. Spins. Hook shot. Bucket is good. And here's number 88. Pass to the middle. Ang gandang pasa. Fires off the glass. Easy bucket. Number 31. Attacks. Lays up. Off the glass. Basket is good. Number 7. Uplo hook shot. Yes, sir. And Cortez. Cortez. To Querido for 3. Bang! Querido 3. Long pass. Number 88. Number 2. Number 88. Number 88. Pinasa doon. Ang gandang play. Yes, sir. Naagawan ni Querido. Number 15. Fakes. Hoop, iniwan. Nakalusot. Yes, sir. Querido dribbling the ball. Shot clock running down. Down to 10. Pull up J at mid-range. Bucket. Number 28. Corner 3. No good. Rebound Querido. Querido. Bounce fires off the glass. Yes, sir. Number 6. Lays up. Offensive foul. Number 31. Kinaliwa. Bucket is good. Number 31. Umatake. No look pass. And this number 6. Spin to the middle. Pulls up J. Bucket is good. Cortez. Attack. Pass inside. Recovered. 1 dribble. Hook shot. Bucket is good. Game clock running down. Shot clock down to 10. Binit pit. Lays up. Short. Number 12. Behind the back dribble. Tataksan mo na sa likod. And fires. Easy bucket. And 2 seconds. Fourth quarter action here. Number 8, Papa just inside. Yes, bucket is good. Number 31 here. Stop pull up J. Free throw area. Bucket is good. Number 7 here. To the middle. Cortez. Nakagawan. Lumipas. Easy bucket. Pass to number 9. Number 9, Bulk. Kicks out for 3. And rebound here. Bounce pass. Number 7. Easy bucket. And number 31 na tapikan na una. Number 12. Kicks out. Open for 3. Recovered. Fires. Easy bucket. And here, number 2 lays up. Bucket is good. Querido. Querido. Stop. Launches on on 3. Rebound. Fires off the glass. Basket and 1. Number 2. Matias. Corner pass. Pick. Drive. Pass back. Matias. 10-7. Corner. Pull up jet 2. Bucket. Number 15. Cortez. Corner pass. Floater. Bucket is good. And number 77. Pass to number 12. Pick. Number 77. Pull up jumper. Bucket is good. Number 70. Bucket is good. And 1. Querido. Launch at 3. Bang! 3 points. NCR. Ball possession. Number 77. Losing the clock. Shot clock down to 8. Attack. Nakaluto. Travis layup. Bucket is good. Number 4 Querido. Number 12. Drive. Floater. Bucket. And Querido here. Drive. Please. Bucket. Congratulations team NCR.